full जोश से कि I don't know if you knew this, but our man Nishant is a rapper now. No, it's just a great song, dude. I'm glad that you're putting out more also.
Yeah, I am. I always wanted to do this. Literally, matlab, this lockdown has been, in a way, blessing in disguise to give you time to do those things you couldn't do. क्योंकि मैं नहीं करता, मैं इतना workaholic हूँ और मैं इतना मुझे काम करना है, पैसा कमाना है, मुझे सब करना है कि मैं किसी शो को मना करता ही नहीं हूँ.
I completely relate.
I love to work. मतलब अगर मेरे को 7 डे शो मिलेगा, I'll do 7 days a week.
Yeah.
So before this lockdown, on an average, I was going on stage at least 4 to 5 times in a week, doing shows every day. Special naya try.
How was that cutoff for you? Like for me, it was quite devastating. Like I was very directionless because I was also at the same pace as you were. In fact, I think February I was on stage 28 hours in 29 days.
Wow.
At one point, we did 10 shows in 3 days.
Nice. काफी सही.
Sorry, in 4 days. 10 shows in 4 days. Because we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the 4th day we did 1. And then that was 10. I don't know how you dealt with that sudden withdrawal, dude. मेरे को तो हम physical withdrawal जो I was feeling.
For me, the energy and focus quickly shifted to this music thing. Like I've been learning, studying hip hop from last, I think March, April se I've been doing this only. Initially, it was just I was chilling. Initially, the first month I took it as vacation. I was happy to be home after so long and not do anything. Like even if I wanted to, I couldn't do anything. Right? I was just chilling. तो वो मैंने बहुत सही मेरे बहुत मजा आया कि घर पे बस सो रहे हो. मैंने किया ही नहीं, कितने टाइम से नहीं किया ये chill. तो वो उसके बाद फिर I thought कि अब क्या करना है. अब ये भी vacation भी खत्म हो गया. And initially every time.
But you were also doing a lot of charity, dude. At that time, you were paying how many? Some 15-20 comics a monthly stipend. Are you still paying that?
Nobody's asking anymore. Today only I got a call from a journalist. अभी जो था वो वही था कि is it still on? I said but nobody's approached me in last 2 months.
Right.
So वो है. I think people have either figured out.
Yeah.
So initially होता ना. Initially when it happens, you don't know what to do. So that.
Yeah. But I'm so glad you did that, man. I think everybody at that time, I remember at the beginning of the lockdown, was one of the first times, like you said yesterday when we were talking also, कि लोग दुश्मनियां बाजू में रख के ऐसे वो याद है एक जूम कॉल हुआ था अमित सर ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था where everybody was discussing Zoom show and I saw people who fucking hate each other on the same Zoom call cordially talking. I was just like वाह ये मेरा सीन अच्छा लगता है देख के ऐसा.
So because of everybody is fucked right now because of corona. So that's why people have compassion now for each other in general.
ना
ऐसा ना कि तुम घर में आपस में लड़ रहे हो और तुम्हारा पड़ोसी लड़ने आ गया तो then you are a team.
Yeah.
So right now everybody is a team against corona. So
we've done better though. I feel our industry has not fared nearly as badly as others have.
No, I think also our industry adapted to the situation really well. Figured out doing online Zoom shows.
And just all of it. Yeah, concept shows, streaming shows.
We are like we would have done otherwise sitting in I don't know Cuckoo Club or Habitat or wherever what we do on Zoom.
Yeah,
we've done face to face somewhere.
Yeah, and I think that's the one good thing about comedians because comedians are artists, no doubt, but they're mostly capitalists. Like we're always figuring out how to make money properly quickly. I was saying this to Amit sir also. Like those in like your batch, right? Like your batch to a great extent because I came right after your batch. But your batch was so instrumental in teaching comedians कि listen इसमें पैसा बन सकता है. Because you all took those 2 years and then you all told us कभी लाइफ में ओपन माइक फ्री में मत करना फिर से. You know what I mean? तो वो जो आदत 2011 में डाली थी ना वो आज तक काम आ रही है. I feel like वो पेमेंट का एक especially the habit of paying for things was not like there. You know, music में people are not used to paying for the music they consume.
Yeah.
But that's where comedy really spearheaded that shit, dude. I think we are best in the world. Wow.
Also, it helps when people from different backgrounds come into this profession.
Yeah.
I was from media. You are a lawyer. Amit Tandon being a
business owner. Yeah.
So getting that, so that's why when we used to jam, everybody would have their 2 cents about how to take this forward, what we should do. So that helped a
Yeah.
lot. And I think in Delhi when we were doing that community thing helped a lot. Like everybody was from a different background. Zakir was from radio,
Yeah.
Abhijit was from some corporate thing, Neeti was into
Advertising and TV writing.
And,
Yeah.
तो ये समझ रहे everybody from different background. Rajneesh being a cartoonist.
Yeah.
समझ रहे कितना अलग 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 है.
Yeah, dude, and that's the beauty. मैं तो 18 साल की उम्र से कॉमेडी करना शुरू कर दिया, तो I kind of almost, I feel bad for myself that way because I didn't get nearly as much life experience as everybody around me had gotten before they started doing comedy.
But also the other way around. Like I feel I could have done this 10 years earlier, 5 years earlier. Like abhi I'm getting into hip hop now. I feel I could have done this 10 years earlier if I would have given enough time and thought about it. Or that realization that you can do it. That confidence and
I think that's the biggest barrier, right?
Yeah.
Like in your head it's always just that, right? Notebook और pen तो सबके पास है, right? पर बैठ के लिखना is the act of just starting the creative thing is the fucking biggest mind-boggling thing.
So that I've been doing for the longest time. I've been writing since the year 2000, which is like 20 years now. I've been writing since then. Poetry and stuff, rhyming, like rap, it is the rhyming scheme. I've been doing that without knowing. Just I was writing poetry. 5-6 साल से I've been wanting to do rap, but the execution part, वो नहीं हो रहा था. To take that step, go ahead and do this and put yourself out there. कि करते हैं.
Okay.
हाँ.
But was it like for me, I'm like I was telling you, I'm also recording the music EP abhi.
Yeah.
And the barrier was also like a sense of this is too personal to be letting out right now. Like comedy is still like a joke at the end of the day, but the music is so personal that I'm like, should I even be telling people these things about how I feel?
I feel it's the same. It's like you have one story. You can either say it through the comedy art form, which is an art form, or you can say it through your music. It's the same thing. I feel things I haven't said through my comedy, I might through my music.
Right. Is that a conscious decision to not do it through comedy? Or does it just not come to you? Like I know Amit sir को नहीं आता है thought कोई चीज जो मेरे को आएगा.
हाँ, मेरे को भी ऐसा है. मेरा so what I do, I don't consciously think about things that I want to write. I write about things that come very naturally and I go with the flow. कि ये.
Right.
Also, in same thing with the
but it never happens to.
When I write songs, just there's one topic that comes into my mind and then कि अच्छा let's just write about it.
It's always, but is it like, are you a one-shot sit writer? Like, is that how it is? कि तुम बैठते हो and then this just comes to you and then it's done.
In one go, I sit for 2-3 hours at a go and just बीच में इधर-उधर.
Is it the same for comedy?
I get lost. Yeah. Comedy also I go. So Chayos is my place where the same right opposite Starbucks Bandra में Chayos है. I love there. People know me कि मैं उनको पता है सर किधर बैठते हैं. वो उनका वो टेबल है. तो मैं जाके बैठा तो मैनेजर आके साइड में बैठ जाता है कि सर ये अच्छा मैं कुछ काम कर रहा था तो ये टेबल पे बैठ गया था ऐसा. तो बहुत ही ऐसा फ्रेंडली वार्म एनवायरनमेंट और चाय के साथ बैठ के एंड आई just keep writing. And comedy I write on notebook and pen. Like I don't do laptop. Now songs I write on computer or laptop. Yeah, that's the only difference. Also because the lockdown things are different now.
I'm always very envious of people who can sit and write. Like I for me it has to go on in my head 24/7 and then something comes out.
Oh.
Like it's like this.
So the thought is already there.
Yeah. No, but I can't write it down. Oh God, if I write a joke down, तो खत्म. फिर उसका आगे कुछ नहीं होएगा. कभी कुछ नहीं होएगा उसका. All the like शुरू में मैं jokes लिखता था ना, वो सब jokes अधूरे रहते थे और अब जाके ऐसा 5-5, 8-8 साल के बाद वो jokes खत्म हो रहे हैं. Because तभी मैंने भूल से लिख दिए थे.
I sit in one go. Whatever I write, I just keep writing, and I revisit the same thing after 2 days. मैं अपनी तरफ से कुछ लिखा और मैं ऐसा लिख दिया कि बहुत ही फाड़ लिखा है. ओहो. Then I revisit after 2 days. I'm like नहीं इतना फाड़ नहीं लिखा है. ये क्यों लिख दिया था ये whatever things. Same thing.
Yeah.
Both in music and in comedy. When I revisit and then I do one more layer and then I'm satisfied कि हाँ.
Right. And then obviously just trying it out.
Yeah.
Zoom show पे try कर पा रहे हो?
नहीं. Stand up तो मैंने किया ही नहीं. Zoom show पे try तो नहीं किया. Anything I've done. But no new stuff I've tried on Zoom show. That's why I'm saying. So the energy is more focused on the music till the time.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
हाँ
Because music में ये फायदा है कि you don't need a live audience feedback. कभी भी कोई गाना रिलीज होता है उसके बाद उसकी ऑडियंस बनती है.
Right.
Unlike comedy, they will need the
audience first.
Yeah.
first, and then we record the video or the special whatever.
But then there's definitely a intention to tour with this hip hop scene.
I see that is I don't see that happening at least for some time now, because you need to at least a number of songs to be able to do that.
I mean, okay, yeah, okay.
But
come on.
Stage
2021 में ऐसा एटलीस्ट ऐसा ना कि मतलब अभी अब से निशांत का ओपनिंग एक्ट निशांत द रैपर, लाइक मतलब अभी आएगा एक रैप गांड फाड़ेगा और फिर जोक शुरू करेंगे.
हाँ, ये फॉर्मेट भी बुरा नहीं है, वैसे कर सकते हैं, ये भी अच्छा आइडिया है. पर हाँ, see the idea is कि the rap thing is you have to be really good at to do it live.
Yeah.
Because record करते टाइम आपके पास रीटेक के ऑप्शंस होते हैं, और रैप में ना ब्रीदिंग पॉइंट का गेम बहुत जबरदस्त है. That you when you write also ना rap, I learned now in last 3 months, you have to write according to your breathing point. Ki this is where I'm going to take a deep breath, really small, tiny breath, and this is then I'm going to do. So it's lovely, man. It's crazy.
I like that you're getting geeky about this as well. Like I love that. I love it when people get geeky about it. I'm looking forward to talking to you 2 years from now for another AMF episode and be like, so, कैसा चल रहा है rap career? Ex-comedian Nishant. Like as a proper OG rap fan in India, how do you look at the whole gully rap scene and how rap has grown like recently?
Yeah, it's crazy. It's good. I love it. Like, and so मेरे साथ क्या scene है? I love almost every hip hop artist. Like generally people I meet, they're like, no, I like underground, I like commercial, I don't like this, I don't like that. I think everybody has contributed.
Yeah.
I think people like Honey Singh and Badshah और रफ्तार, they got us used to those. इतना डांस करके तुम कैसे बोल सकते हो? तुम अगर 5 साल नाचे हो एक गाने पे और अचानक से तुम ऐसे कि ये थोड़ी असली तो ये होता है. So ये भी सही है. तो but it's crazy, man. It's like the number of people I come across also, but it's the same in stand-up also, by the way. It's exactly the same. The number of people, kids who want to pursue hip hop, who want to pursue stand-up. It's crazy. दोनों का बहुत same है वो. That I think that age group is mostly 16 to 21 k.
21.
A lot of because this is when you going through your school and trying to figure out what you want to do.
Are these perspectives that are required for the world, though, is what I ask. Like, if I ask myself that question even now, you know, whenever I have a special, I'm like, before I take it on tour, I ask myself, does the world need this at all? Can I even justify it for 2%? And anything I did when I was 18, 19, 20, 21 was not, the world did not need it.
Yeah. But funnily, there's a 12-year-old rapper. I think his name is Deking Point something on Insta.
Okay.
And I follow him because he's crazy, man. For the bars, for his age.
Yeah.
Lyrics जो लिखता है वो बहुत जबरदस्त उसका फ्लो है. वो घर बैठ के अपने फोन पे रिकॉर्ड करता है रोज. ऐसा उसने एक माइक भी ले लिया. अब 12 साल का बच्चा है. सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे वीडियोस रिलीज करता है. फॉलोवर बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, बट हिप हॉप कम्युनिटी में पीपल नाउ नो हिम.
Oh, please send me this Instagram account. I want to check this out.
Yeah. I will. Like when I released my song, so I used to message him. Like every time he'd put out something, and I message him like, yeah, thank you, bhaiya. And when I put out the song, he's like, hey, bhaiya, just saw your first song, crazy. And I told him, bro, I'm still learning.